So I seen somebody post this on here a few days ago about one of the ways to get rid of smell in these LG washing machines, and I gotta say, there is a lot of junk in here. Take something to sneak back here a little bit. Wiggle that loose, and it just slides right off of there. So I'm going to take it apart, clean it out, and put it back together and see how that works. Well, I ran a couple empty loads just to clean the attached plastic pieces, and then I took these other pieces outside and cleaned them off with the hose. I think overall it's pretty clean, should do the trick.